What's up guys, it's Kevin from K-Square Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the banded handstand push-up. Alright guys, so now that you've seen the setup, I'm going to go into a little bit more detail. First I want you to notice when you're doing this movement, you're on a pull-up bar. So if you're used to kicking up to the wall, do not have the intention of kicking up and swinging way out here. You need to kick up and begin swirling for your foot to wrap around the bar. So once you get plugged in here, before I kick up, I want you to get in the habit of when you do anything upside down, handstand push-ups, assisted, all that stuff, you're always externally rotating your elbows in, never out. This is no good. Dumps your shoulder forward. Lots of issues happen here when you do that. So push-ups, handstand push-ups, all of it, screw in tight. Have big fingers for a big base so you get used to having good stability there. From there, you can kick up from standing here, snoop onto the bar, get your pelvis locked down, squeeze your glutes. And always being aware of this rib cage position where this is no good, this is good. Here's my tripod. Everything's still tight, my ribs, my glutes. Exhale and lock out. Try to push through to where your triceps and your biceps are covering your ear. If you're locking out up here, this is no good. Get in the habit of exhaling, pushing through. That's the banded handstand push-up. Get after it.